Create a welcoming gathering place in your backyard with the 12 by 16 Meridian Gazebo. This gazebo offers plenty of space to host dinners or picnics, gatherings of friends and neighbors, family parties, and more. There's enough room under this gazebo to set up an outdoor drink station or buffet table, and make it the gathering place for family events. Sturdy 6 by 6 inch posts with classic plinths provide a solid foundation without obstructing sightlines. Discrete straight-line gussets provide classic style and support. It's 100% premium exterior-grade cedar, covered in an environmentally friendly natural cedar color stain, will stand up to the elements. Cedar has many advantages for use in outdoor structures. It doesn't swell, warp, or decay. It's naturally resistant to insects, and it's naturally beautiful. The coffee brown colored aluminum roof protects those below from the sun and rain and requires no maintenance. All wood sections are pre-cut and pre-drilled for easier assembly. The gazebo comes with simple-to-follow illustrated instructions. And we've created a helpful hints video to make your installation process easier as well. Yardistry stands by the quality of its products, and this aluminum roof gazebo comes with a 5-year limited warranty. It's the perfect space to entertain family and friends in your own personal oasis.